July 27, 2025. So let's see the market opportunities for today and for this week. So before that, we are going to check about the economic news. So today we don't have much more economic news unless there is a job like consumer confidence, job openings. So US job openings. These are the news is going to release after an hour. And by Wednesday, tomorrow we have Australian CPI and German GDP. So European news, we have a lot of Euro news as well as US news. So US news and the Canadian interest rate is there. A lot of news are there by tomorrow. So tomorrow we have FOMC and the Fed interest rate decision. This will really make a big impact in all the markets. Dollar is getting strong because Donald Trump announced that the American companies should always hire American employees in higher percentage. So this is the main thing. The dollar is getting strong. So these kind of regions add up a lot of strength to the dollars. So we have a interest rate of Canadian Canada and Japanese yen. So Japan is going to release their monetary policy statement and interest rate by Thursday. So these are the important news we have, and we have core CPI, unemployment rate, non-farm payroll. A lot of news are there over in this period. A lot of news releases are there. So I think Euro USD will fall continuously because it reaches the high as well as low. I think it's going to fall more. Anyway, I think you should consider Euro USD as a kind of. So what you need to consider here is Euro USD just broke the looks like Euro USD broke the support. It is at this support, so Euro USD might give a bigger impact. USD broke the support, and pound USD also trying to break the support. Yeah, it looks like it broke the support now. So pound USD is also good to buy and good to sell. Yep, pound USD is very good to sell. Still a good opportunity to sell. Australian dollar will break the bottom very soon, so we can expect a fall. Australian dollar, USD yen, same. Silver, it is at the high, it will break. It will fall very soon, I think. We must have to make some correction. Let's wait and see whether it will move up and then move down, or else it can move up. So we need to wait and see. US Swiss franc is playing up. US Swiss franc is good to buy. So US Swiss franc. USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar is also the high. This is the resistance, but fortunately, I think Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar, overall the US dollar is getting strong. So that perspective, I believe market need to move up for USD yen, USD Canadian dollar, as well as US Swiss franc. So if I look at the Australian Japanese yen, it is at the high. Yen is at the high. Yeah, it is at the high. So I'm not sure about Japanese yen. Pound Canadian looks like they're trying to rebound. Pound Canadian. You can see the nice rebound over there in Pound Canadian. And Euro Canadian is trying to fall. So, but we are not sure about Euro Canadian because of the market nature. Canadians try to move up from the horizontal support. Pound Canadian, Euro Canadian is like this. Euro Canadian try to. I believe Euro Canadian will fall very soon. Euro Canadian will make a fall. So Euro Canadian is like that. Euro New Zealand. Well, Euro New Zealand is also good to sell, I believe. Euro New Zealand is really good to sell. Yeah. But it is still in an uptrend, so Euro New Zealand, we can wait and see. Euro pound trying to make a correction. I think Euro pound is breaking the low. So similar to this, I do think that it's not have a chance to fall. Pound New Zealand, I'm not sure about the Pound New Zealand. But it is just moving between the support resistance, highs and lows. Pound out, also the same. Pound out also moving in the same direction. Australia Canadian is like that. USGN, USD Japanese yen. It's trying to move up. USD Canadian gold. Gold, I think gold might have a lot of chances to move down, especially because it breaks the support. I think gold needs to fall. If you consider it like this, looks good, but gold needs to fall. Euro Canadian will also fall. Will also fall. Euro seems to be very, very weak compared to all the past. Euro is very, very weak. Let's wait for the next opportunity. Euro Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc still has room to move down, but probably reach the major support. So it may have a chance to move up if it breaks the high. If it breaks this recent high like 1.080, then pound Swiss franc will fly up. It will start to fly after breaking the resistance levels. We mean that's this resistance 1.080. This is the resistance level. So if it breaks this level, then we can expect more of a movement on Swiss franc. Australian Swiss franc is also like just consolidating. Canadian Swiss franc is moving up. USD Canadian looks like good to buy or sell. I think it's good to go down on USD Canadian. Australian yen trying to fall. Here's a Swiss franc, Australian Japanese yen. So Australian Japanese yen, I think Australian Japanese yen might have a chance to move down, but it is in a strong consolidation zone. So we should not think more about Australian yen because it is in a very strong consolidation zone. And it is also in an uptrend. So if you look at this is a rebound, but it is still an uptrend. So it might give a consolidation again to the support, and then it will keep rebounding and then move up to a certain level. So if you consider like this, it just made a 50% correction, nearly 50%. So it might move up until 61 maximum, and then we can expect a big growth. So we need to wait. Oh, you can see the Australian Canadian still an uptrend. Swiss franc Japanese yen trying to fall. So it is trying to fall now. Swiss franc Japanese yen. I think this will make a little bigger impact, I believe. Swiss franc Japanese yen is good to sell, I think. Australian USD. The dollar is getting strong anyway, so which dollar pair is good to buy or sell, we need to decide it out. So silver is also going to fall. Pound Japanese yen, so the high. Euro USD try to fall, so we can make a this one. I don't forget this one because Trump threatened Powell to fire on, and he again after Powell fire. I mean, it's a kind of rumors, but not a rumor. But Trump has really threatened Jerome Powell get fired very soon, so that's the reason. Put this fall. I think all the pairs, it's like Euro Australian dollar is at the low. Euro Australian dollar might have a chance to break the low. I think it might have a chance to break the low. Over here and there. And gold, I'll try to rebound up. Canadian, Australian USD. These pairs are all there for USD yen seems to be very strong compared to all of the pairs. But it might also have a chance to give some consolidation. Because this is a month end, we should have to consider the month end very seriously. So due to month end, all the pairs are getting like stronger than before. So 2000 point fall is a bigger one actually. It's quite bigger one. I think USD yen will get close above the high. So there's no doubt regarding that. So Canadian Swiss franc, fine. Bitcoin seems to be still in an uptrend, but still it is in a consolidation mode now. It made a third touch, I believe. I just made a third touch. So let's wait and see how the Bitcoin is going to move on. So after checking most of the pairs, you can easily say that gold is just consolidating. So if you consider like this, it looks like a breakout of the gold, but it won't be a strong breakout unless we do it very hard. It won't be a very strong breakout. Should I do gold? Well, I think gold is still in a downtrend. You can even sell gold. The thing is, you should have to wait for the gold to move on because it should have to break this pattern, like this minor ascending channel. It should have to break. If it breaks, then we can expect a move. I think it will break only after some retest. I think maybe 61.8 level. Just made a very good retest. So gold is good. Good to buy or sell. It's good. Trying to rise. So if you look at all the pairs, it seems to be very different. So gold and Bitcoin. Gold will keep looking for sell at this time. Yeah, you can expect next fall towards 3280 and then 3260. So these are the next fall for gold.